for 34 years. Thank you for asking. How about you, Rohan Kumar? Where are you from? Thank you for dropping by. I'm showing to you the early bloom of sakura, Japanese tree. It's not the official flower here in Japan, but a lot of people recognize it as the official flower here in Japan. Some say it's chrysanthemum representing the imperial family. So there's no official flower here in Japan. I'm waiting for the birds to come back. Before I went live, there were like 6 beautiful birds, but now they're gone. Shy birds. Okay. Wow.